Have you ever wanted to translate your videos into multiple languages without re-recording everything? Or turn a simple photo into a realistic talking video? Today, I'm going to show you how to use Vozo, an AI translation and talking video generator, to create professional multilingual content in minutes. If you're a YouTuber, business owner, educator, or content creator, this tool can completely change how you scale your content globally. Let's dive in. First, log into your Vozo dashboard. I put the link in the description. Once inside, you'll see options for AI translation, talking video generation, AI dubbing tools, repurposing long videos. Choose the feature that matches your goal. If you want to translate an existing video, choose translation. If you want to create a talking avatar or photo video, choose talking video. I want to choose the AI translation first, then the translate subtitles. You can upload your video here, or you can paste the link here. I want to paste the YouTube link here. Now, let's say we want to translate this into Spanish, and the subtitle display will show both the original and the translated subtitles. Then click Start Translation. Then let's wait the translation. Here's the results.
Welcome to the world. You're the smallest one in your family. What would you like to say?
Send me back. I heard my parents are poor.
Vozo is amazing. It will transcribe your video, translate it accurately, recreate it with AI, voice, sync the lips to match the new language. This allows you to reach international audiences without recording again. Imagine taking one video and turning it into 5 languages. That's content multiplication. You can also customize the subtitle style here based on your preference. You can choose whether you want to edit the original subtitles or the translated subtitles separately. Subtitle styles. You can select from different preset subtitle styles available in the dashboard. Typography. You can choose your preferred font, such as Chivo, Butter Sans, Anton, and many more. You also have the option to upload your own custom font if you want a specific branding style. Font size. You can resize your font to make it larger or smaller depending on your design preference and video format. Font color. You can choose any font color that matches your video theme or branding. Line height. You can adjust the line height to control the spacing between lines of text for better readability. Line break settings. You can turn on automatic line breaks and adjust the maximum number of lines and the maximum number of words per line. This helps keep your subtitles clean and easy to read. Text outline. You can enable a text outline to make your subtitles stand out more clearly against the background. Text shadow. You can turn on text shadow to add depth and improve visibility. Background. You can add a background behind the subtitles for better contrast and readability. Active word and animation. You can enable an active word feature where each word highlights as it is spoken. You can also add animations to make the subtitles more dynamic and engaging. Overall, this editing experience is very similar to tools like Canva or CapCut, where you can fully customize the look and feel of your text to match your video style. Then, if you're satisfied your editing output,
Welcome to the world. You're the smallest one in your family. What would
you can export your translated video with subtitle. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features, talking videos. You can upload content in different ways. First, let's start with the video. You can either upload your video file or add a video link. In this case, I chose to add the link. Next, you can choose your audio source. You have several options. Use text-to-speech, upload your own audio, extract the audio directly from the video. You can also choose a voice cloned option from the Vozo library. They offer voices like Alice and Adam. Alternatively, you can add your script directly into the text box if you prefer generating the voice inside the platform. However, I prefer to upload my own audio, and I already have an uploaded audio file here. After that, you need to choose the number of faces that appear in the video. Once everything is set, simply click Generate. Here's the result. Look at the difference between the before and after versions when I added my uploaded audio. You can clearly hear that the voice has changed, but the lip movement remains accurate and perfectly synchronized. Here's the before.
When I was a kid, I was wondering kind of what's the meaning of life? Like, why are we here? What's it all about? And
here's the after.
When I was a kid, I was wondering, kind of, what's the meaning of life? Like, why are we here? What's it all about? And I came to the conclusion that what really matters is trying to understand the right questions to ask.
What's impressive is that even though the original voice is different from the uploaded audio, the AI adjusts the mouth movements to match the new voice naturally. The timing, facial expressions, and speech rhythms still look realistic. It doesn't feel delayed or out of sync. Now let's proceed the talking photo. You can upload a photo, a headshot, or a character image. I have a photo here from ChatGPT. Add the AI voice from Vozo library. I choose Alice. Then add your script. Vozo will animate the face and create realistic lip movement that matches your voice. This is perfect for Faceless YouTube channels, explainer videos, educational content, business promotions. Instead of hiring actors, you can generate AI-powered presenters. After a minute, here's the result. One of the biggest concerns with AI translation is accuracy. Vozo doesn't just translate word for word. It adjusts tone and context so your message sounds natural in the target language. And yes, the lip sync looks surprisingly natural.
Hi everyone, my name is Anika. I just want to quickly share why I really like using Vozo AI. As someone who creates digital content, I'm always looking for tools that are simple but powerful. And Vozo does exactly that. The AI voices sound natural, not robotic, and the platform is very easy to use. I can translate subtitles, customize styles, and even create talking videos all in one place. It saves me so much time and makes my videos look and sound more professional. If you're a content creator or building your brand, I definitely recommend trying Vozo AI. Thanks for watching.
Vozo isn't just translating your content, it's helping you scale it globally. If you want to reach international audiences, create talking AI videos, and automate multilingual content without re-recording, this is your sign to start. Check out Vozo using the link in the description. And if you're ready to automate, delegate, and earn passively, subscribe and let's build together.